everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share with you a very easy snacks recipe, chicken drums. We need very few ingredients to prepare this snacks. It's a perfect evening snack, so you can prepare it in the evening time and enjoy with your tea. So let's get started. For preparing chicken drums, first we need to prepare a stuff with some chicken and some veggies. For that we will add 4 to 5 spoon oil in a frying pan, and next we will add some green chilies in it and some finely chopped garlic and ginger. Fry it little, and next we will add some spices like 1 spoon turmeric powder and 1 spoon cumin powder in it. Fry these spices together, and next we will add some veggies, 1 grated carrot, some green peas, and we will add chicken. For these snacks we need some chicken keema. You can prepare chicken keema at home from boneless chicken pieces and just grind it. Now mix everything together, chicken, carrots, green peas and all spices. Fry this in high flame and mix everything. So next we will add some salt. And we'll add 1 spoon garam masala powder in it. Cook it few more minutes, and after that turn the gas off, let it be little cool, and then we will prepare the drums. So now it's turned, let it be little cool. So now in second step we will prepare the drums. Here is the stuffing is ready, and we need some bread, 1 egg and some breadcrumbs. So what we will do, we will cut this brown portion of the bread like this, and we will do the same with all breads. And now we will take a slice and make it wet from both sides with some water like this, and next we will put some stuffing in the middle of the slice. And make a roll with it like this. So lock both ends properly. So now we will dip it in egg batter and roll it in breadcrumbs. So in this way we will prepare all drums. So now one is ready. Lock the end part properly. So one is ready now. Here it is. So now our all drums are ready. Today I will not deep fry this. You can deep fry this, or you can do in another way. Today I will prepare this in air fryer. So here is air fryer tray. Just place a aluminum foil in it and place the chicken drums one by one into it. So you can deep fry these drums also, or you can do it like this in air fryer. It will be more healthy without oil in air fryer. So just put it in the fryer, and we will set the temperature at 360 and give the time around 12 minutes. So after 6 minutes we are checking this and brush some oil in it. We will brush oil on both sides and cook it for few more minutes, or until its both sides become nicely brown. So turn this and brush some oil in this part also. If you want, you can skip this step, no need to brush oil, just prepare it without oil also. So both side greasing is done, and just we'll put it in air fryer for a few more minutes. So it took almost 15 minutes to prepare these drums, or colors become like this. So now it's ready and we will serve it. So here is our today's snacks. Chicken drums is ready and served. It's a perfect evening snacks. So friends, I hope you like my recipe. Please try it at home and do like and comments in my video. If you want, you can share my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And now I'm showing you how it's cooked in air fryer from inside and outside also. It's very crunchy from outside, and inside it's perfectly cooked. So if possible, prepare it in air fryer. Thanks for watching. Bye.